Back to chopping. This one, I believe this is load 12 for today. I just got back here a little bit ago, so I'm hauling loads again. We're chopping this field now by the silage bags here. Feel closer to home. This corn's a little greener, the other stuff's getting a little drier, so I'm gonna chop this stuff now. I'm gonna leave the rest of it out there for... They finished chopping the strip I was chopping last night, but it's getting drier now, so we're gonna let the rest of it for a combine, and we're gonna chop this because this is perfect for silo. If you're wondering which one's the oldest wagon, there's the oldest one. Number 3. You'd think number 1 should be the oldest, but it's not. Number 3 is the oldest. And I got number 1 right here, which is one of the newer ones. 1 and 2 are the same age. Okay, chopper guy. Should have just kept going. Don't like these half loads. Yeah, I'm talking to you, chopper guy. The chopper guy did better at filling this one, but could have been a little fuller. If I I was running the chopper, I had it filled all the way till it almost started filling the hopper up on the front. Just some advice. It don't take much longer to fill a load completely full than it does to fill a partially load. It's mostly full. It's better than the last load, but I had to put more on. The more you put on a load, the less loads I gotta haul. The less loads you gotta fill. Taking the last load in for today. Now the silo's gotta settle before we can add any more. It's all going in the yard. Well, let's send this last load up there for today. We'll probably have to put some more up there tomorrow. And then a couple days later. Because it's got to settle. Not like a bag or a bunker where you can just keep adding to it. The silo, once it gets to the top, you gotta let it settle before you can add more. Oh, that's right, Jeff. They got a guard on them or not. They're more dangerous if they don't have a guard on them. Same with that one. Stay away from that one too. That's what these holes here are for. To look through there. Not to climb on the hitch and look up there. If you climb on the hitch right here, stand next to that PTO, you can get wrapped up. But don't ever grab a hold of it. That's an 18 by 60 and this is a 20 by 60. Hay silo or corn silo. Unload the rest of this on the ground. If we don't fit the silo today, maybe tomorrow. Silo's full enough today because I just plugged the blower almost. Filled the whole pipe up. Because nobody was up there watching the top. When that got full, it just started coming out the blower. Gotta chop 2 more loads to fill the silo. I think that might be enough. Maybe 3 loads. 2 loads for sure today, and then I think the silo will be full. So let's check the oil on this guy. An 8920 Oxycom Magnum. That looks good. Looks like it's on the full. That back on there. Pull this little door shut. Let's head out and go start chopping. corn for 2025 for the silo. I think we're all done chopping corn in general. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Please like and subscribe and share a friend. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, check out my Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok page. All links in the description of this video, and they have merch too. So thanks guys, and if you haven't done so, subscribe and share this video with all your friends so that way it gets to more followers. And I think it's fun showing people how our small dairy farm works here. I'm driving the 3048 right now. I'll put these wagons away yet tonight too, I think. We'll end up washing them eventually. Got my bucket. Let's start scrubbing. Got the back to finish washing, and then this wagon will be done. And that's how we foam it.